Hi, welcome to Public Directories. My name is Vakar Mumtaz, and this is my first video for my YouTube channel for Public Directories. So, my purpose of this video to show you the annesleywilliams.ie scraper video. Okay, I want to show you automation board for this website. Okay, so let's have a look, please. So here is the files. Okay, as you can see, application. So I'm going to double click it. So basically it will extract data from this website automatically. Okay, let me show you. So this is a live tab to show live data. Okay, so I'm going to show you the data that is previously scrapped. Okay, so let me start data. Okay, by clicking update data button. Okay, and you will see that data will be updated here. Okay, and here is updated data for today. So let me close it and delete the previous data first. Okay, now start it again, and you will see that here is no data, so I am going to update data. Okay, on daily basis it will extract data. Okay, so as you can see the data columns. Okay, each and everything from this website. So I clicked and you will see the data. Okay, and you can see monthly price, weekly price, it will be available here. Okay, so as you can see each and everything, and lots of data loaded in background, so it will be also extracted. Okay, as you can see lots of fields are here that is not available, but I am using techniques, my special techniques to extract the background data that is not visible on the page. Okay, as you can see doors, images, engine, each and everything. So this is my first video for public directory. Okay, and let me export data. As you can see file name is automatically generated. You can make it as you want, one or anything you want, and also you can browse the directory. So I select here this PC, and here I will make new folder for data. Okay, so now I can select the I can select the format, any format I want. Okay, so I select XLS and export. Okay, so data will be exported into the folder that we select. Folder name is data, and you will see here this one. Okay, file has been created and you can see this file. My laptop is little bit slow, so okay, it has been loaded. Okay, as you can see, so if you want to do any website scraping, okay, you can contact me. My contact is in description. Okay, so I will do for you. Thank you.